welcome back to Jakarta Tips. Today I'm here at PIK Avenue. That's one of the greatest malls in Jakarta.
I can see the light from your bedroom door.
PIK Avenue was built in 2016 and is flanked by two hotels.
You've been staying up late, I don't know what for.
I had so many comments that you told me to come here.
Let's watch the spinning blades of the ceiling fan. Let's count the running sheep, come on, take my hand. Come on and take my. I can be a sunset ray. You will be the light in my darkest place.
On the ground floor, there is a food festival.
I can be a sunset ray. You will be the light in my darkest place.
It's the weekend and it's a bit busy here.
Fly with the broken wing. Truth be told, I try the same damn thing.
Dia ada di sebelah kiri saya, pastinya ada di sana dan orang lagi banyak banget. Aku mau ke sana dulu ya. Kita cari peserta untuk game kita yang pertama. Ya, ini khusus untuk orang dewasa karena hadiahnya persembahan dari kawan minum.
I don't know Indonesian and I don't know what this man is saying behind the microphone.
Iya. Silakan bersama pengunjung ya. Ini ada sponsor baik kawan minum pastinya akan memberikan dan berbagi hadiah untuk anda yang sudah melakukan transaksi ya. Pastinya di Solo Festival dan masyarakatnya ini merupakan 150 tahun.
It's time to explore the mall. I'm hungry and I want to eat food. These are my favorite restaurants: Senayan, Solaria, Burger King, McDonald's and KFC. The atmosphere of the food court is interesting. there are only Korean, Chinese and Japanese restaurants here. Maybe this kind of food is popular in Indonesia. They have no McDonald's, no Burger King, no KFC, also no Solaria. So I think I don't eat anything here. I think this mall is popular for eating. Guys, this is today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Every day I have a new video from Jakarta. See you tomorrow.